Hello friend, today we are going to start the bubble sort. The bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is comparison based algorithm. This sorting algorithm is a comparison based algorithm in which each pair of adjacent element is compared the element and are swapped if they are not in order. So this algorithm is not suitable for large data set. This algorithm is not suitable for large data set. So friend, as its average and worst case complexity are of order of n square. The average and the worst case complexity is order of n square, where n is the number of atoms, where n is the number of atoms. So friend, suppose consider that the value of n equal to 5. Suppose n equal to 5. Then we say that I equal to 1, I equal to 0. Then we say that first element in an array. First element in an array. Suppose I equal to 1, then we say that the second element in an array. Suppose I equal to 2, then we say that third element in an array. Suppose I equal to 3, then we say that fourth element in an array. And suppose I equal to 4, then we say that the fifth element in an array. So like that way the number of elements are stored in the position in the array. So friend, consider for the bubble sort we consider the array like that 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Suppose consider that this array for sorting technique using the bubble sort. So friend, while sorting the array, then we sort that array with the help of the loops. We required a loop for sorting the array. Now in the bubble sort, each pair of adjacent element is compared. So each pair of adjacent element is compared with each other and the element is swapped if they are not in order. The element is swapped if they are not in order. So friend, first we take the outer for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. Why n minus 1? Because the first element is compared with this four element 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we take the value of value n minus 1. What is the initial value of n? N equal to 5. Now let we jump into the inner for loop. We jump into the inner for loop. So for j equal to 0, j is also less than n minus 1 minus I. Why I take the take this I told this letter. So for j equal to 0, j is less than n minus 1 minus I and j plus plus. Now in the inner for loop I check the value of j and j plus 1. So friend, I check the value if suppose there is a array ARR, if ARR of j is greater than ARR of j plus 1. If this condition is true, then general sorting will be applied on this algorithm. So how to sort? We take a temp variable, temp equal to ARR of j. We assign ARR of j to temp variable. Now we assign ARR of j equal to ARR of j plus 1. Now we assign the ARR of j plus 1 equal to 10. So friend, In that way the sorting will be done. So this is the simple algorithm how to sort the element in bubble sort. So friend, suppose first the elements are 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Well, what is the value of I? Initially I equal to 0. Now it will be come into the another for loop. So friend, here the what is the value of j? J equal to again 0. Now it will be check that ARR of j, that means 0. That means this ARR of 0 and ARR of j plus 1. So check that if the value of ARR of j, that means 50, is greater than ARR of j plus 1. Yes, it is greater than this. So it will be sorted like that. It assign the temp. What will be assigned? It assign the ARR of j value to the temp. That means it assign value 50 to temp. Now ARR of j is assigned ARR of j plus 1. That means it assign the value 40 to it, and ARR of j plus 1 it assign the value of temp. So it will be sorted like that way. (40, 50) and remaining array as it is 30, 20 and 10, like that way it will be as it is. Now friend, it will be check, then it will be increase the value of j. Inner for loop is completed. Now value of j equal to 1. So friend, it will be again check j is less than n minus 1 minus I. Why I take like that condition minus I? Because here friend, it will be when the j equal to 1, then what is the value of j? 50. Then it compare 50 and 30 in that way, 50 and 30. So it will be again exchange. So it will be become like that. Here 40, then 30, then 50, 20 and 10. Again the value of j equal to 2. Then it will be sort this. Then it will be look like that. 40, 30, 20, 50 and 10. Now again it will be sort in that way. So it will be look like that. 40, 30, 20, 10 and 50. So automatically the largest element is bubble at the last position. So this is the bubble sort algorithm. So this all the iteration, innermost iteration is called as the first pass of this sorting, first part of the sorting. Now in the second part it will be started from here. What is the value of I equal to 1, and it will be come up again it will be checked that like that way. So it will be sorted. If it is not in order, then it will be sorted again. So these iterations are apply to this array. So it will be sorted in like that. So while sorting the second iteration, the array will be seen like that. Here 30, 20, 10, 40 and 50. So it will be automatically sorted. 40, 50, these two elements are automatically sorted. And here why this sorted element is not considered again the sorting technique. So we take j is less than n minus 1 minus I condition here for this sorting technique. So friend, you are continue this execution on the paper up to last pass and understand this example. Thank you friend.